Got a John Deere 8R 1300 series axle. Going to show you how our testing procedures are working and then what we did when we find an issue. So this come off of a 2010 8270R. We took our 3 oil scans, final drive, differential, and other final drive. So oil scans were normal on the final drives and it was abnormal on our differential. So abnormal, then when we draw or drain the oil, this is a magnetic drain plug in the bottom of your axle. It's not this one, it's one on the bottom. So it had a little bit of build up here, not much. It was actually within what Deere says is normal. But if you can see the metal shine there, that gray look, then from there, that requires us to take our scope. We've got a little 3-way test long scope. It's got, you look like you're a plumber because it's like a 10-foot cord. But to get the 3-way, you got to have the long one. So anyway, there's a pattern on the a wear pattern on the ring gear. Kind of rough, so we'll send this off to a rebuilder and we'll go completely through it. We'll rebuild the steering cylinders, put new washers underneath there, ring and pinion, differential. If this one's been updated, so I'm going to assume that somebody's been into this. So as long as the bearings are good, we will reuse the bearings. If they're bad, we'll replace them, but we'll put new seals in. Check our U-joints, all of our bushings, front drivetrain, bushings on the front and rear pivots. And then we'll do a complete service, meaning we'll grease everything on it. And so when you get it, all you gotta do is put oil in it. Also, we do usually put on a new little vent. So that's what we do when an axle actually fails the test that says it's good to go. And that's where our rebuild axles come from.